What if I told you there's a button sitting right inside your car, one that most American drivers completely ignore, and that button could literally be the difference between walking away from a dangerous situation or getting into a serious crash? No, I'm not talking about your horn. I'm not talking about your hazard lights. This is something else entirely. And once you understand what it does and when to use it, you're going to wonder how you ever drove without it. Welcome back to Car Care Garage, the channel where we give everyday American car owners the real tips that keep you safer on the road and save you money in the garage. If you're new here, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now and smash that like button before we're done. We put out practical, no-nonsense car advice every single week, and you don't want to miss what's coming up. Alright, let's get into it. The button we're talking about today is the Lane Departure Warning System, or more specifically, the Lane Keeping Assist button. Now stay with me here because I know what you might be thinking. I've seen that button, I just don't know what it does. Or maybe, I turned it off because it annoyed me. And honestly, you're not alone. Studies show that a huge percentage of American drivers either disable this feature or never turn it on in the first place. And that is a mistake that could cost you big. Here's the situation. You're driving home after a long day. You're a little tired. Maybe you were in back-to-back meetings or you've been on the road for a few hours. Your eyes are open, you think you're fine. And then without even realizing it, your car starts drifting. Just a little. Just a foot or two to the left. And that's all it takes on a busy highway or a two-lane road with oncoming traffic. That's the moment this button was built for. The Lane Keeping Assist system uses a tiny camera, usually mounted right behind your rearview mirror, to read the lane markings on the road. Think of it like a pair of extra eyes that never blink, never get tired, and never get distracted by a text message. When your car starts to drift across those painted lines without you signaling, the system jumps in. Depending on your car, it might gently vibrate your steering wheel, sound a beep, or even apply a slight steering correction to guide you back into your lane. It's not taking over your car. It's just giving you a nudge, like a passenger in the seat next to you saying, "Hey, pay attention." Now here's why so many people turn it off. The most common complaint is that it activates when you don't want it to. Like when you're making a wide lane change on an empty road, or when road markings are faded and the system gets confused. That frustration makes total sense. But here's the thing. Most cars let you adjust the sensitivity of this system. You don't have to go all or nothing. Check your car's settings menu, usually found in the infotainment screen or through the steering wheel controls, and look for Lane Keeping Assist sensitivity settings. You can often dial it back so it only activates in situations where the drift is more significant. And before you say, "I'm a good enough driver, I don't need that," let me hit you with this. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, lane departure crashes account for roughly 17,000 fatalities every single year in the United States. Not fender benders, fatalities. And the vast majority of those happen not because someone is reckless. They happen because someone is just a little tired, a little distracted, or a little too comfortable on a road they've driven 100 times before. Familiarity breeds complacency, and complacency kills. So how do you actually find this button in your car? Look on your dashboard or around your steering wheel for an icon that looks like a car sitting between two lane lines. Sometimes it has arrows pointing back toward the center. If you're not sure where it is, don't go digging around while you're driving. Pull up your owner's manual, or do a quick search for your specific make and model. Most cars built after 2016 have this feature standard. Some older models have it too. The button is usually labeled LKA, LDW, or Lane Assist, depending on the manufacturer. Here's a pro tip a lot of people don't know. This feature works best when your tires are properly inflated and your windshield is clean. The camera system behind your mirror needs a clear line of sight. A dirty, cracked, or foggy windshield can mess with the camera's ability to read lane markings accurately, which leads to false alerts. And that's exactly the reason a lot of people turn the feature off in the first place. So before you curse out your car's safety tech, grab a bottle of glass cleaner and wipe down the inside of your windshield. You'd be surprised how often that fixes the problem. Also, check your tire pressure once a month. When tires are underinflated, your car doesn't track as predictably, and the system has to work harder to compensate. Keeping your tires at the right PSI, you can find that number on a sticker inside your driver's side door, isn't just good for fuel economy. It's part of your whole vehicle safety ecosystem. Now, lane keeping assist is just one piece of the puzzle. If your car also has blind spot monitoring, that little light or icon that appears in your side mirror when a car is in your blind spot, keep that one on too. Together, these two systems create a kind of invisible safety net around your vehicle. Lane keeping catches your drift. Blind spot monitoring catches the car you can't see. Think of it like having two extra sets of eyes watching out for you at all times. Here's the bottom line. Car manufacturers spent millions of dollars developing these safety features and put them in your vehicle for a reason. They're not gimmicks. They're not there to annoy you. They are proven, real-world lifesavers that work quietly in the background until the moment you actually need them. The small inconvenience of an occasional alert is nothing compared to what these systems can prevent. So the next time you get in your car, take 30 seconds, look for that lane keeping assist button, and make sure it's on. That one small habit could be the thing that brings you home safe tonight. If you got value from this video, hit that like button right now. It helps more drivers find this channel and get this information. And if you haven't subscribed yet, join our Car Care Garage family so you never miss a tip. Drop a comment below and tell me, did you know about this feature? Is yours turned on or off? I read every single comment and I want to hear from you. And when you're done here, check out our next video where we cover the 5 dashboard warning lights that most Americans ignore until it's too late. Trust me, you want to see that one. I'll catch you in the next video.